Charlie Cushane here to do another truck camper mod. This is a real simple one. This is again in our chalet double slide truck camper. We normally carry this traditional standard kitchen trash can with a nice lid that opens and closes, and it takes a traditional deeper, bigger bag. It's great when we camp for like a week at a time somewhere. However, we do a lot of boondocking, and consequently we stay for one night here, one night there, and every time we move we like to throw our trash out. So what I'd like to do is, instead of throwing away these big bags all the time, I'd rather use these Walmart style, you know, Home Depot, wherever, throw out bags. And we use these now, but they're always in the sink or somewhere else. I'd like to modify this trash can to actually hold this bag so that you can put trash in it and still close the lid. And my wife diligently collects them and rolls these little bags up, so we have a ton of them. Okay, the first thing we have to do is find a way to hang this bag. If you hang it this way, it's too closed up and you could never get anything in it. So I want to actually hang it this way, all right, with its wide as possible. So my goal is to do a simple modification to this lip you see here on the trash can. I'm just going to take a file and make a little groove here so the bag will go down, under, and back out again. And it'll hold on there. That way it'll hold itself on, it'll hold itself open, and you can put the trash can lid on for any smells. So you just put this in, a bag in, put the lid on, and then the next day when you leave, take it out, throw it away. So let's get started. Okay, after playing with a bunch of these bags, it looks like the handle that you can stretch open, the most you'd want to be is like 7 inches. So my goal is to create a slot 7 inches wide. Let's start that. Okay, I know the center of the trash can's right here because of this groove you see. So that's the center. And then 7 is 3.5 inches right there, right there, there, there we go. So right here in this lip, I'm just going to file a little groove right on my mark, 7-inch mark. Get my little knife and just there we go. That's what I'm doing. I'm just causing a notch you see right there. So the bag will go through that and under. Let's do the other 3. The beauty of this project is anybody can do it with their trash can, even if you're traveling on the road, because all it takes is a file. Perfect. Okay, we're back in the camper with the trash can. As you can see, it's right now set up normally with the big bag. So let's take that out. All right, that fits on no problem, same way as it always did. But if we're just going for the night, we now take one of these Walmart bags and stick it on here. And you just wrap it under these 2 notches in here. And you see the bag goes underneath this, and now it holds all kinds of weight. And the beauty is you can still put the lid back on like normal. You can throw stuff in. Perfect. And the benefit of putting these notches as far apart as you can is it holds the bag open, which is really great. And look, as I said, it's easy enough to do. And then when you want to remove the trash bag, simple. Done. So that's a win-win.